welcome to mathematics class of standard 5th. Today we are going to study chapter number 13 and the name of our chapter is ways to multiply and divide. Okay, first we will start from page number 170. In this there is one story of questions regarding to Mani Rathinam, the cashier. Mani Rathinam is the cashier of King Jayan. His job is to find out the salary of all the people who work for the king. This chart shows how much salary each person get in a day. Here this is the chart and salary in a day. Person first is, if you talk about minister get rupees 195 in one day. मतलब मिनिस्टर को एक दिन के काम के कितने रुपीस मिलते हैं 195. हॉर्स राइडर को कितने मिलते हैं 76 and the cook get rupees 65. Mani Rathinam wanted to calculate the salary of the cook for the month of January. Okay, so what he done, मतलब कि मनी रथ को क्या करना है, पूरे मंथ की सैलरी काउंट करनी है. अगर एक दिन में इतने इतने रुपीस मिलते, if they are getting for one day this much money, then how much money they get for 1 month? For 1 month, and which month they are talking about? For the month of January. Okay, so in January how many days are there? Total 31 days are there. So how easily Mani Ratham count? These are the days. 31 मतलब कि 30 and 1, 30 plus 1 means 31 days. Okay, for rupees, and this is 6 and 5. So what he done, 30 into 60 it is equals to 1800 and 30 into 5 it's 150. 1 into 60 is 60 and 1 into 5 is 5. Okay, why he done here 60 and 5? Because salary cook की कितनी है 65, तो इसको भी सेपरेट कर दिया. 60 प्लस 5 मीन 65. ओके, तो 30 डेज के अगर 60 रुपीज़ मान के चले 30 डेज के लिए, तो कितने रुपीज़ हो गए 1800. और 5 डेज के अलग से कितने हो गए 150. 1 डे की सैलरी काउंट करें तो 60 and 5. If we want to find the total salary, what here it's doing, rupees 1800 plus 150 plus 60 plus 5. Okay, अगर इन सब का टोटल कर दे then we will get the total answer and that is 2015 rupees. तो कुक की जनवरी मंथ की सैलरी होगी रुपीज़ 2015. Mani Ratnam's daughter Bella has learnt another method to multiply. She wrote like this and showed it to Bhanu, her brother. Akka, how to do this? We can multiply 65 and 31 in 2 steps. 65 multiply 31 in 2 steps. We know 31 is 30 plus 1. So first multiply 65 with 1 and then with 30. Okay, so to calculate 65 multiply 31, first we will count with 1 and then with 30. Okay, so how we can do is, you can see over here. First we will do this 1 multiply by 5 means 5. 1 multiply by 6 means 6. Now we are calculating with 30, so we will keep one 0 over here. Okay, because for 30 0 will be here. Now we can multiply everything with means this 65 with 3. Okay, because for 30 0 we already kept here. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 1 we will keep carrying. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18 and 1 plus 1 carry means 19. Now we will add this. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 5 11, so 1 carry over here. 9 plus 1 10, so 1 carry, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2015 is the answer for multiplication of 65 multiply 31. Now page number 171. Now Bhanu tried to find the salary of a minister for the month of January. He wanted to multiply 195 multiply 31. So to multiply 195 multiply 31, first he multiply 195 with 1 and then 195 with 30. 0 we can already put here because 31 means 30 plus 1. So for 30 0 we can put over here. Now we will start calculating. 1 5s are 5, 1 9s are 9 and 1 1s are 1. 0 already here. So 3 5s are 15, so 1 carry and 5. 3 9s are 18, sorry, 3 9s are 27, 2 carry and 1 carry, it was already there, plus 1, so 28, so 2 carry and here 8. 3 1s are 3 and plus that 2 carry, that it means 5. 5 plus 0 5, 9 plus 5, here we get 4 and here 1 carry is there, 14. 8 plus 1 carry means 10, so 1 here carry and 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now practice time. Use Bella's method to multiply these numbers. 32 multiply 46 and 67 multiply by 18. So 32 multiply 46. So we will multiply 32 first with 6 and then with 40. For calculating it with 40, here at the down we will keep 1 0 already. So we can get it easily. You can see over here. First 32 multiply by 6. So 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 3s are 18 and plus 1 carry, it means 19. Okay, 1 0 already here. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. 2 plus 0 2, 9 plus 8 17, 1 carry, 7 here, 2 3 and 1 carry, that is 4 and 1. Okay, now 67 multiplied by 18 we can calculate in the same way and we will get the answer. Do this in your notebook using Bella's method. So you have to multiply this all sums using this method. Try to solve by yourself in your notebook and you can check your answers over here. All the answers are mentioned over here. Shantaram, a special cook. Shantaram is a special cook who comes only on party days. Last year he was called for only 28 days. For each day he has to be paid rupees 165. Find out how much money he will get in all. Okay, salary paid to Shantaram for one day is rupees 165. Each day 165, मतलब one day की salary कितनी है? 165. For 28 days कितनी है? 165 multiply 28. So how we will calculate? 28 means 20 plus 8. So पहले 165 को 8 से multiply करेंगे, then we will multiply 165 with 20. To calculate it with 20, पहले एक 0 already यहाँ पर रख देंगे. Okay, so what will be the answer? We will by multiplication, we can do it like this. 8 5s are 40, so 4 carry 0 over here. 8 6 are 48 plus 4 52, 5 over here. 8 1s are 8 plus 5 means 13. Now multiply, we keep here 1 0. Now multiply with 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 0. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 3. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 0 plus 0 0. 2 plus 0 2. 3 plus 3 6 and 1 plus 3 here 4. Answer is 4620. If he is called for all days of the year, how much salary he will get? मतलब कि पूरे साल के लिए अगर आ जाए तो कितने सैलरी मिलेगी? तो पूरे साल में कितने दिन होते हैं? 365 डेज. तो 165 मल्टीप्लाई 365. तो हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? 365 165 मल्टीप्लाई 365. तो 365 कैसे होते हैं? 300 प्लस 60 प्लस 5. तो इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करेंगे? पहले 5 को इन तीनों नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर 6 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, उसके लिए यहाँ पर एक ज़ीरो रख देंगे बिकॉज 60 है, और उसके बाद 3 को तीनों के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने से पहले यहाँ पर 2 ज़ीरोस रख देंगे बिकॉज इट इज़ 300. 2 ज़ीरो आते हैं, सो वी विल कीप हियर 2 ज़ीरोस, देन 3 मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस ऑल 3 नंबर्स. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, then 5 6s are 30 plus 2, 32, then 5 1s are 5 plus 3 means 8. Then 6 multiply by 5, 30, x 0 already, 1 0 we have already kept here, then 6 5s are 30, then 6 6s are 36 plus 3 मतलब कि 9, then 6 1s are 6 plus 3 मतलब कि 9. Then 3 5 2 zeros are already here. Then 3 5s are 15, 1 carry. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19, so 1 carry and 9. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 carry, it means 4. Now adding this all 3 means the 5 plus 0 means 5. 2 plus 0 it means 2. 8 plus 9 plus 5. 9 plus 9 plus that carry, and 4 plus 2 carry, it means 6. So this will be your answer. Now find the salary of the minister and horse rider for 1 year. So salary paid for minister for 1 day is rupees 195. मतलब एक दिन की सैलरी 195 है, तो 365 डेज की सैलरी कितनी होगी? सो 195 मल्टीप्लाई 365 एंड दिस विल बी द आंसर. ट्राई टू सॉल्व बाय योरसेल्फ. 300 plus 60 plus 5 multiply 195. And we will get this answer 71,175. Okay, up to here we will study the next thing in our next class. Up to here you have to solve all these multiplications up to here, and you will get the answers. So in today's class we have studied multiplication of 2 digits and also of 3 digits, and how easily we can multiply this with the help of simple multiplication method. So I hope you have enjoyed this class, and in the next class we will also study about few terms of multiplication, and then we will start for the division things. Okay, thank you for listening the class. Thank you.